Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And today I'm going to talk real quick about what's coming and what you should be expecting to see in the future here. So what I have in this box, I can't show you. This is a carousel box that I am starting. It's the Homestead carousel box. And I'm going to be sending it out to various different homestead channels around the country. And so the first place it's going to go to is to the Pratt family homestead, because they're going to be going overseas this summer, and I want to make sure that it gets to them first so that they can pass it on to the next one, which is going to be Amy Fuel over at the Fuel Homestead. And there's several other names that are going to follow. I don't have the whole list made out yet as far as the order, but if you make sure that you subscribe to Pratt Family Homestead and then to Amy Fuel's channel, I'll put their links down below, and if I get the order laid out in time, I'll put that all down below as well under them so you can see the layout of the order. But if you make sure to check out the next two channels, you'll know where this box is going to go next. Now let me explain how this works. So what I have in here is I have 10 items from our homestead. And they're all things that we've made ourselves or even grown. Again, I can't tell you what all's in here. It's going to be a surprise to each homestead as they open up the box. So what they do is the Pratt family, they're going to be the first ones to get it. They're going to go through the box, they're going to look at all the items, and they're not going to show you what it is until they pick out the items they're going to keep. So they're going to pick out somewhere between 1 and 3 items. What they then have to do is they have to take 1 to 3 of their items to replace the items that they've taken out. And they're not going to show you those. They will show you the items they take from the box. And that's going to go with each channel as it goes along. So you'll get to see the things that they take out, but you just don't get to see what they put in until the very end. So when the box gets back to me again, so it's going to hit all these different channels, all these different places all over the United States. And then once it comes back to me, I'll do another video update showing you all the things I ended up with at the end. So I think this is going to be a fun project. It's been a long time since I've done a carousel box, and I've actually never started one. So this is my first time being a part of one that I've actually started. So this is going to be exciting. But yeah, I'm curious to see what other homemade goodies and homegrown things that people are going to include into the box as we go along. So be watching for those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to each and every channel as they come along, and let's look forward to some fun times here. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be watching for more to come. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.